What's going on, guys? We're on the way back to my mother's place, my mom, because that's where my car is currently residing right now. Gotta take off the track wheels, put on the XT9s again. Gotta take off my GT Spec D-shaped steering wheel as I am selling that. Gotta get the WeatherTechs out as I sold those. I think that's about it. Sold all the Alcantara pieces in the car. Don't worry, I'm not parting the car out. I'm not done with it. It's getting fixed. Main reason I can tell you guys why the car did what it did on track was basically oil pressure loss. Adam and I talked over a game plan kind of deal. When the parts come, stuff like that, I'll tell you what they are, etc. But we're gonna bump up the oil game, so make sure oil precautions and all that doesn't happen on track again to minimize oil slosh. I mean, basically I'm on a stock oil pan. There's no baffles. I don't have an oil control valve. With that being said, I think you guys can kind of know what I'm gonna do. I'll be back on the road in no time, fast as my paychecks allow me. Michaela allow me. But the car will be back. I'll be back on the track. My car's not going anywhere. As always, I'm getting tuned by Travis, and as always, Adam is going to do the work. Since I figure I'm not posting, or will be posting many videos of my car for a while, this will be kind of the last one of my car, unless I give you guys some updates. But I will give you an update later, because I'm ordering a bunch of new parts, stuff like that. But let's get the car. I'm home. Let's do it. Don't do this after leg day. Oh man. Alright, who knew this little incline would be such a bitch to get over? Out of breath. Shouldn't have done legs today. Don't skip leg days, bro. So I think I'll first take these off, put the XT9s on, and then wash the car down. So a trick I do when I take these wheels off, and I do with the XT9s too, take a white pen, like a paint pen, and I'll go ahead and mark on this one. So this one's front right. Go ahead. Oh, there goes the cat. I'll go ahead and write on here F right. So front right. And then back here, we'll go ahead and write rear right. So, just a good way to remember which side your wheels are on, so you don't mess up your tire rotation, stuff like that. I'll go ahead and show you guys the tires. So this is the front. As you can see, pretty good wear out to the edge. And here's the rear, which is a little more camber in the rear. You can see the more heat is on this side. Didn't go too far out on the outside. But these things pick up everything. I mean, they are super sticky. As you can see, all these rocks are just collected in it. Looks like string cheese. But I'll do a review on these tires later. Just first initial impressions of running them for the very first time. Absolutely love them. L-O-V-E, love them. So I'm not going to film the other side. Doubt you guys want to see that, but I'm going to clean those wheels as much as I want. I mean, they're track wheels. They don't have to be super clean, but yep. This side's done. Onto the other side. And then I'm going to wash the car after I torque wrench. So the first thing I'm going to spray is not this, but it's the Chemical Guys Diablo Gel. So I'll spray that on. Let that sit on there. Come around here and we'll spray these ones. I don't really care about those, so just a quick little rinse. And we'll come around here, do these ones. and we'll let these ones sit, and we'll move her on to the other side after. Car's clean for the most part. I don't have another pair of hands to set up the tent, so I'm gonna actually just push it back underneath this tree, because this tree drops leaves like a motherfucker. It's getting too dark and I don't have time to undo the GT spec because I gotta go at 5:30. And yeah, I got to clean up. I gotta find a box to ship out the mats, and I'll show you guys the inside because, like I said, I took everything out, the Alcantara pieces. It's gonna get real grainy because the ISO, sorry guys. But yeah, took this out, sold that. Still have the shifter that I have, the shifter extension, or I mean not the shifter extension, the Alcantara shifter trim. If anyone's interested, sold the radio unit, sold the Alcantara shift boots, and I think that's it. Yep. But anyways, sold the GT spec wheel because I am going with a quick release. I'll explain later when I get it, but I think that will do it for this video, guys. Okay, I look really white. Let me turn the ISO down. There we go. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please like it, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, that's basically what's going on with the car, what's gonna be the future. Basically why the car did what it did on the track was oil starvation, but easy fix. Gonna upgrade oil like I said before, and should be dandy. We should be good to go on the track again. Definitely, someone's driving an RC car. Definitely gonna try to break 210. Definitely think I have it in me, have it in the car. We'll try to figure out the brake pads on why it's so shaky. So if anyone has any clue besides warped rotors, let me know. And yeah, the car's, I can't, the rear end of this car now just looks so nice with the downward customs diffuser, with the Tome exhaust, and with the wing. So about the exhaust, I said I'm too loud. Do I go out again and just see if they take me off? I think I will. If I don't go off track, if I don't break down or anything, have any reason for them to pull me over and individually talk to me, I think they'll be fine, because the last two times I was out there, or yeah, the last time I was out there, I was running this exhaust, didn't do anything wrong. They didn't call me out for it, so fingers crossed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Probably next video is either Adam's car, my car parts, or I'm with someone else and their car. Till then, guys, take it easy. Have a good one.